Good morning, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to another video. I am here on, dang, I don't know what road this is, but this is one of the old roads in Howland. And this goes all the way around, and like from over there, see how it turns that way? Well, back in like the 1900s and stuff, it used to go straight. We have old postcards of this road, but you can barely see the church in the distance. This Friday I'm gonna do a what it looks like now compared to what it looks like back in the day. So, and my husband says that this road never turned what did he say, in the old days before 1900s. He said it kept on going over here, and then it went around on the Algal Road. So I'm gonna walk down here. He said that him and a friend used to walk on these trails, like the old carriage trails from like the 1800s or whatever, when there was carriages and stuff. So I'm gonna walk down here. I don't actually dare go on these trails, or even if there is, because I've never been down here before. So, and then walk around to on the Algal Road. So you have to be careful because there's houses over there now. See, my husband could go on there because he knew the friend, and they used to go all around there, but I don't know who it is, so I have to be careful in going on people's houses and stuff like that. But people might find it a little creepy, me being down here. But this is so cool. Yeah, see how someone's house. See how it kind of goes down in there? See how it kind of goes down in there? How it looks like there's a trail, kind of, sort of. This is where I stop because it looks like somebody's property right there, and I don't know these people, and it's like 7 o'clock in the morning, so that would be kind of iffy for me. But supposedly it goes all the way through and around to the Algal Road. Now, I'm gonna go down through here onto the Algal Road and see what it looks like over there, if I can see any roads that go in through here. I don't know, it's kind of interesting. My husband was telling me about it yesterday when him and I were going on a walk. So he goes, oh, this all goes through here. I'm like, what? He goes, oh yeah, me and my friend used to walk down down these paths. And he's just like I am. He like goes down these paths and everything like that in the when you're young, to go explore. I mean, why not? Really, it's something to do. This is before the internet. Can you believe that one? But yeah, so I will come back when I am near the Algal Road, and we'll see what we can find over there, okay? See you later. Bye. Hey, everyone. So that road that I was just on down there was Griffin Road, and I do have postcards back in the 1900s from that road. Oh man, the postcards that I found are so freaking cool. You wait, Friday I'll do it. Because, okay, so the reason why I'm doing it Friday is because it's supposed to rain Thursday night into Friday morning. So I won't be able to do a walk on Friday. But I want to do a pre-filmed video for you guys. So that's what I'm going to do. So that's kind of cool. So I can't remember the name of this road. But this road right here, I think was like after that one that went around to the Algal Road, Griffin Road, and it hooked onto the Algal Road. And this road was here. They added this one, and then they had like houses and stuff. And all over here, all of this was big, huge mounds of logs. And my husband said that there was a couple of houses that were along here too. And he goes, oh, there was houses. And I said, well, they were probably the company's houses, you know, the people that own the company for the logging and stuff like that. That's probably what it was, because they had to live somewhere, you know. So I thought that was kind of neat. Now the Algal Road is like right over here, so I gotta concentrate and make sure I don't get ran over by traffic. So I'll see you when I get over there. Bye. Okay, so I'm over here on the Algal Road, and I'm to this road that's supposedly hooked up to the Griffin Road. So it's a dead-end road, and it's called South Street. And I think there's like, you know, a couple of houses on this road. Private residence, so I don't know how, I've never been on this road before, so I don't know. I think my husband's friend lived on this road. It's so freezing out. My hands are frozen. This is what it looks like. There's some nice houses up in here. I don't think anyone lives in that house. I'd buy the land and knock that ugly trailer down if no one lives in there. So it looks like somebody's house over there. But see in the trees how you can see the other road in behind? I can't go any further than this, but you can see the houses. The road that I was just on was over there. He must have went down here before this house was even here. I'll have to ask him. He said it's been years since he's been down there, but I don't dare go on their property because it looks like a driveway, but it might have gone through there. There's all kinds of woods and stuff in here. So I can imagine my husband and his friends roaming through there going, oh, look, there's a big path here. That would be so much fun. Yeah, so I will pick you back up when I get around to my next destination. So like and subscribe. See you later. So I'm down here at the boat landing, and I come down here because sometimes there's geese and ducks down here, but apparently not today. Not today. So this is what the river looks like today. Here's another spot on the river that I'll take you. This right here, it's a nice little path. Of course, everything is dying, so the paths around here are mad easy. Now in the summertime, all of this grass, I definitely wouldn't go down here because of ticks and stuff that live in the grass. Yeah. So this is what it's like over here. Looks like there's more water coming from the dam. Except before that dam, all of this was like just river. Of course, they used to run logs down here. What this used to be, I have no idea. It must have been something off in the tannery or something. So I have pictures of, there used to be a mill, like a small mill. I think they used to make bowls or something. And it used to be right there. This was way before all that house. All of this area right here on this side was all clear. There was no, what is that called? VFW or whatever. There was nothing there. There wasn't even that housing right there. This was before they put the school up there. All of that was all cleared out. And there was a, like a house or something right there. That's the remnants of it. So that's a cool little tidbit. Oh, look. There's something metal over here. I have no idea what this is. Someone must have found it and put it here. But, yeah. So I don't think the sun's coming out today because of all the junk that they did to the sky. But this is what it's like. Remember during the summer where it was super dry and what it looks like now? Yeah, it's rained quite a bit here. We need it, but I guess Friday is supposed to rain pretty good out the way. So I hope you like my video, and I'll let you go. I hope everyone has a lovely day. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video. Smash that like button. Go in my link. For my link tree will be in the description down below. That link will take you to my social media links. You click onto my social media links like Instagram, TikTok. Go see what I got going on over there. All my pictures, follow, share my videos over there, and then subscribe to this YouTube channel. And I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have a lovely day. We'll see you on my next adventure. Bye.